The concentration, and sometimes called the molarity of a solution, is expressed in moles per cubic decimeter. You might see this abbreviated to mole per decimeter cubed or mole decimeter minus 3, or even capital M. For example, an experiment might require a 2 mole decimeter cubed solution of sodium chloride, NaCl. This means that 1 decimeter cubed of the solution would have 2 moles of sodium chloride dissolved in it. However, laboratory experiments often require different quantities of a solution than 1 decimeter cubed, which is a liter. So we need to be able to scale down or scale up from the concentration to find out how many moles we have in the volume of a solution we actually use. Take this solution for example. This is a sodium chloride solution. Its concentration is 2 mole per decimeter cubed. The volume of this solution is 1000 centimeter cubed. So it's 1 decimeter cubed, and that is equivalent to 1 liter. This means that in this solution there are 2 moles of sodium chloride. If we scale it down to 500 centimeter cubed, we would have 1 mole of sodium chloride in the solution. The concentration is still 2 mole per decimeter cubed. However, in half a liter of this solution, there is only 1 mole, which is half of the quantity. Scaling it down even further to 250 centimeter cubed, a quarter of a liter, we would have 0.5 moles of sodium chloride in this solution. Remember, the concentration is still 2 mole per decimeter cubed, but as we decrease the volume, the quantity of sodium chloride in the solution decreases as well.